we guide you through how to turn off Google Safe Search when it's locked on your iPhone. First, open Safari and go to google.com/preferences. If Safe Search is locked, you'll see a message saying it's controlled by your Google account, your device, or your network. To unlock it, tap your profile photo, go to Manage your Google account, then open Data and Privacy. Scroll down to General Preferences for the web and select Safe Search. If it shows locked by you, just toggle it off and confirm. If it says locked by your network, switch to a different Wi Fi or turn on mobile data and reload the page. If it says locked by Family Link, you must sign in to a parent account in the Family Link app and turn off Safe Search from there. Once unlocked, refresh Google and Safe Search should be disabled.